Hey, what's up, guys? I'm about to share with you a great way to make money without having to spend any money. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you, in my opinion, one of the best ways to start making money online without having to spend any money. All right, now I talked about this method time and time again, but guys, it truly is one of the best ways to make money online, and that is selling books on Kindle, Amazon, whatever. You, this is something I've been doing for like 3 years now. Haven't missed a month where I haven't sold at least one book. Sometimes, 20 books, whatever, in a month. Haven't missed a month. Who texted me? Hold on here. Hate to be rude. Oh, all right. But haven't missed a month yet, guys, in 3 years with making some sort of money selling Kindle books. And you don't have to spend money to do so. But at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you, what really got me going. But if you just want to do it free, it's all you need to do. Open up a Word document, whatever, Microsoft, Open Office, whatever, and you want to write, you know what I'm saying, write your book. But let me back it up. I'm being advanced. You want to find a niche. You want to find a topic. You want to find something that you're good at, or you can research, all right, and get good at, right? And you want to create like an ebook. You want to write about it, and all you need to do, and what I do, is actually you just think of like 10 questions involved in that niche. So hypothetically, if you're in the dog training niche, think of like 10 questions that people would ask. So how to train my dog, how to train small dogs, how to train puppies, what's the best toys for a dog, what's the best, think of 10 questions, right? Each question is a chapter, will be a chapter in your book, right? So now you got all 10 questions. Next thing you need to do is answer each question, aka the content of your book, right? Once you do this, I mean, you're good to go. You have your own, you have a book ready to go on Amazon, but you can't just type up a PDF or whatever and throw it up on Amazon. It has to be formatted for Kindle, right? So you might be thinking, well, I don't know how to format. Great. I'm gonna link to a lady who, if you're using Open Office, whatever, she shows you how to format your document perfect for Kindle. And if you're using like Microsoft or anything like that, just YouTube it, how to format for Kindle, how to format my Kindle book on Microsoft or whatever, right? You'll find it. You could do it on your own, all right? So once you get that formatted, all you need to do is go over to Amazon, create a KDP account. That's where you sell your Kindle books. Once you have your account created, all you need to do at that point, write a description, write in the keywords. Hold on. I had to take that call. But as I was saying, you write your description, your keywords, and everything like that. Then your book will actually be approved. And then once it's approved, it's actually good to be sold. Another thing real quick is you're going to need a cover, a Kindle cover. That's another thing, once again, you can do for absolutely free. You can use a software called Canva. Or you could use that absolutely free, which I use all the time. A lot of people don't talk about it, but PicMonkey. PicMonkey is dope. I like PicMonkey, but you can create a cover for your Kindle book on PicMonkey. All right, so after you got your documented, formatted in Kindle book form, right? Write your description, your keywords, upload it to Kindle, then upload your cover, then you'll get approved. And voila, you have the opportunity to make money, and you haven't spent a dime. Like, this is a way that a lot of people have made money online and are still making money online, guys. So you're watching this video and you're like, I don't have zero, I have no money, and I really want to get started with making money online, this is the way you can do it. Now, yes, it will take more work because you do need to kind of research whatever your topic is, right? Because you want to make sure there's people out there, potential buyers of your book, right? So, of course, using that dog training thing, dog training is popular, weight loss, and all kinds of books you can create. But it would be smart to know that there's a market out there for the book that you want to write, guys. But if you want to do it for free, that's how you can do it. Now, if you have a little bit of money set aside, or if you can save up and get a course called K Money Mastery, guys, I hate to use the word guarantee because you can't use that, when it comes to making money. But I got this course 3 years ago, and I will say that course is the reason why I make money selling books on Kindle. Point blank, period. It's just, it will walk you through everything that you need to know when it comes to writing a Kindle book, getting the book done, getting it for sale, all the way to receiving your first, book commission, or they call royalty. This course is legit. It's a lot of garbage out there, but this course is definitely legit. If you want to check it out, you can. Link in the description. Just look for K Money Mastery. Click on it, check it out. And if you're serious about doing this and like making a lot of money, then you might want to invest in this course, guys. Invest in this course. But if you really just at the end of everything, you can do it for free. Just follow the steps that I just laid out for you. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, because you see I'm always dropping that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.